everyone, today we're going to cook big plate chicken. So first we wash the chicken wings, wash it clean and cut some sweet pepper and onions. In a hot pan we add a 3 tablespoons of oil and a 5 tablespoons of sugar and caramelize the sugar. Once it's caramelized, we add it in our chicken wings. You can use any chicken meat. Caramelize the chicken meat for a couple minutes. Then we have 2 spicy chili peppers, 3 slices of ginger, 7 cloves of garlic, and 2 bay leaves, 1 couple of star anise, and 1 cinnamon stick, and 10 grams of sesame peppercorn. And then we chop some chopped onions and add 2 teaspoons of cumin powder. Then we add 2 tablespoons of black bean garlic sauce. And we stir fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then we have, in a pan we add about 5 cups of hot water. Then we add 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. Then we add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper. You can reduce the salt or add more according to your taste. Then we transfer to a big pot. We add peeled and chopped potatoes, 3 to 5. Then we close the lid, bring it boil and cook about 20 minutes. Then here we have knife cut noodles. And after 20 minutes, when the chicken's tender, we add in our sweet pepper and chopped onions. You can use spicy pepper if you want. Stir a little bit, then we close the lid. Use high heat, bring it boil. So now our noodle is ready. So after the second juice, we can use the extra juice and add it to our noodle. Because we drain our noodle, add the sauce inside to make it more flavorful. Now our savory big plate chicken